Start earning money now. 5 easy side hustles you can start today. Starting a side hustle can be life-changing, providing extra income, financial freedom, and even the potential to replace your full-time job. If you're looking for inspiration, here are 5 easy side hustles that you can start today, along with research-backed tips to maximize your success. 1. Freelancing. Do you have a skill you can monetize? Freelancing is one of the fastest and easiest ways to earn money. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer connect you with clients looking for services such as writing, graphic design, web development, or social media management. Why it works. 1. The freelance economy is booming. 1. In 2023, freelancers in the US collectively earned over $1.3 trillion. 2. You can start with little to no upfront investment, leveraging your existing skills. Quick tip. Build a strong portfolio and focus on client satisfaction to secure repeat business. 2. Dropshipping. E-commerce dropshipping allows you to sell products online without holding inventory. All you need is an online store, and suppliers handle the shipping directly to your customers. Platforms like Shopify and Oberlo make it simple to get started. Why it works. 1. Shopify reports that profit margins for dropshipping businesses range from 10–30%. 2. It's scalable, meaning you can increase your income with effective marketing and automation. Quick tip. Focus on niche products with high demand and low competition. Use targeted ads to drive traffic to your store. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. It's an excellent option if you have a blog, social media following, or email list. Why it works. 1. The affiliate marketing industry is projected to reach $8.2 billion by 2025, Statista. 2. It's passive. Once you set up content or campaigns, they can generate income over time. Quick tip. Partner with reputable brands that align with your audience's interests for better conversion rates. 4. Real estate crowdfunding. If you're interested in real estate but lack the capital to buy properties outright, consider crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise, Realty Mogul, or Roofstock. These platforms allow you to invest in real estate projects for as little as $500. Why it works. 1. Real estate investments through crowdfunding platforms provide average annual returns of 8.7%. 2. It's a great way to earn passive income while diversifying your portfolio. Quick tip. Research the platforms carefully to ensure they align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. 5. Content creation. Content creation, whether through YouTube, blogging, or social media, is a side hustle with immense potential. With tools like Pictory.ai, you can quickly create engaging videos from text, making it easier to grow your audience and monetize your content. Why it works. 1. Video content is king. HubSpot's research shows that videos increase engagement by 49% compared to other content types. 2. Monetization options include ads, sponsorships, affiliate links, and merchandise sales. Quick tip. Consistency is key. Create valuable, shareable content to attract and retain an audience. Bonus. Reinvest your earnings. No matter which side hustle you choose, reinvesting your profits can accelerate your financial growth. For example. 1. Stock market. Vanguard's research shows that index funds yield an average annual return of 7% over the long term. 2. Real estate. Use earnings from your hustle to invest in rental properties or crowdfunding platforms. Final thoughts. Starting a side hustle doesn't require a massive upfront investment, just determination and a willingness to learn. Whether you're freelancing, dropshipping, or diving into real estate, the key is to start now and stay consistent. These opportunities have the potential to transform your financial future, so take that first step today.